Students, our today's topic is about business risk, nature and causes. So firstly we will discuss about the meaning of business risk. So बच्चे, risk is the main feature of the business organization. It refers to the possibility of inadequate profits, or we can say that if any losses arises due to any uncertainty in the business organization is known as business risk. In simple terms, we can say that the possibility of loss in the business organization is known as business risk. So here are some definitions. According to Wheeler, what did he say? He said that risk is the chance of loss. It is the possibility of some unfavorable occurrence. So here is a nature of business risk. There are some points about the nature of business risk. Risk is the result of uncertainty. See, risk is the result of uncertainty means risk is the outcome of uncertainty. Uncertainty can either be human, business or natural. If I talk about the human uncertainty, humans, those who are working in your organization, how they can create uncertainty about the risk. They can sit on the strike or theft, etc., are the causes of human uncertainty. Business uncertainty means any inflation, deflation, any rise in or changes in prices of goods in your business organization, or we can say that wrong assessment of demand in the society are the causes of business uncertainty. And if I talk about the natural uncertainty, which is beyond the control of human, that is earthquake, drought, snowfall and epidemic. So these are some uncertainty, they create the risk of for our business organization. Second point is risk is an essential part of every business organization. So as I discussed earlier that risk is most important feature of the business. Without risk, any business, no business can be survive. Okay, so only reason of it that business is carried on the future, and future is always uncertain. So for the future time period, risk cannot be avoided, but it can be minimized. Third one is degree of the risk varies from size of business. So according to the size, risk can be measured. The degree of risk is less in the small sized organization, and the risk of the organization, if I talk about the big organization, big business organizations, there will be greater risk as compared to small sized organizations. So fourth point is profit is consideration of the risk taking. So whatever a businessman gets for taking risk, that is profit. तो businessman अगर risk ले रहा है तो उसकी outcome क्या उसको आती है profit. So greater the risk, the more is the possibility of profit. In simple terms, we can say that more risk, more profit, less risk, less profit. So last point is risk is depends upon the nature of business. The amount of risk is always depends upon the nature of its business. If I talk about the daily utility things or perishable nature goods, there should be less risk. On the other side, if I talk about the other business organization, instead of perishable goods and daily utility things, there should be more risk as compared to these business organizations. Okay, so these are some points which reflect the nature of business risk. Then causes of business risk. The first one is natural causes. As the name suggested, these include those causes which are beyond the control of the man. Man can only think about these causes, these risks, but cannot say anything definitely about them. So these are the natural causes. Just like seasonal changes, means seasonal changes greatly affect the business organization, just like dust storm, floods, snowfall, fire, etc. Okay, and another type of natural causes is geological changes, which are earthquake, or just like earthquake destroy your buildings, destroy any type of buildings in the twinkling of an eye. And other natural calamities, just like locust attack on the standing crops, adverse changes in the atmosphere. locust attack means मतलब जो कुछ इंसेक्ट्स जो आपकी क्रॉप्स को ख़राब कर देते हैं, तो इस तरह के कुछ कॉजेज़ होते हैं जिससे आपका बिज़नेस जो है ना एडवर्सली अफेक्ट हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो कुछ ये नेचुरल कॉजेज़ हैं जो आपके कंट्रोल के बाहर होते हैं, विच कैन नॉट बी कंट्रोल. दीज आर बियॉन्ड द कंट्रोल ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज़ ह्यूमन कॉजेज़. Just like human uncertainties, human causes means Man has important role in business creating the business risk. It includes all the causes born out of the human carelessness, dishonesty, impatience, and lack of intelligence. So these are the causes which can be controlled by the human beings, but they are create business risk for the business organization. Just like if I talk about the workers of the organization, they will not if they are not working for the organization with full of honesty, they create the risk for the organization. If they are not skilled, if they don't have any technical knowledge about the work, this will also create the risk for your organization. So these are the human causes. Just like dishonesty by the employees, this is the one cause for human cause. And dishonesty by the customers means customer purchase the goods from your organization but deny to pay the payment for the goods. It will also create a risk for your business organization. If your workers are sitting on the strike and they lock out the organization for some days, then production for the organization will be stopped and your business will be negatively affected. And working carelessly मतलब वो अच्छे तरीके से काम नहीं कर रहे, ठीक है, तो this is also another reason for the risk of your business. Third one is economic causes. Economic causes which are related with your economy, which are related with your market. Just like if any change in the fashion means customers taste and preferences will be changed in the market, you have to change according to that. If you will not change according to the environment, then it will be a great risk for your organization. And any inflation deflation is also another reason for your risk, for your business risk. Effect of the competition. So firstly you will analyze about the competitor price, about the competitor strategies. After that you will decide according to that. If you will not do according, then it will also a risk for your organization. So here are some points which are related with your economy. They create the risk for your business organization. So other causes means any defect in your machinery, any defect in your machines, in your tools, in your equipments. These are also create the risk for your business organization. Any technical issue arise in your, any technical issues in your old machine, you have to purchase new machine instead of old machine. This will also create your business risk. Otherwise mechanical risk, some mechanical defect in your machines will also be adversely affect to your business organization. And managerial causes, the management is also sole basis for your entire business. It is here that the policies are framed, because the management, the managerial persons who frame the policies for your business organization, if those persons are inefficient, then how they will frame your policies, how they will frame your favorable strategies. So it will also create some type of risk for your business organization. So this is all about your business risk and nature of business risk and the causes of business risk. Thank you so much.